Hi everyone, welcome back to Noble Kendra, and in this video, let us look at a fantasy story. Don't you think it will be exciting? So let's start. Once upon a time, there used to live a family of 5 with one mother, one father, one sister, and 2 brothers. How many members do you have in your family? And can you recognize these characters on the right-hand side? So let's continue. One of the brothers' names was Woody, and he used to love to read books a lot. One day, when Woody was reading his book, he ended up in a page where there was a picture of a fairy and a whole map of a fantasy land. And he thought to himself, "Oh, wow, look at this beautiful area and this nice little fairy. I wish I could actually meet this fairy and go to that beautiful land." Suddenly, a fairy popped out of the book. Woody got very surprised and screamed in excitement. "Ah!" The fairy got confused and said, "Oh, please don't scream. Let me say you my name. My name is Elvinia the fairy, and I come from the fairyland, right next to the giants. By hearing your wish, I came to help you." Woody said, "You mean you have come here to make my wish come true?" And Elvinia said, "Yes, I did," and pulled Woody inside the book with her. Woody had got very fascinated and started to scream, "Wow, this is so wonderful!" Elvinia started showing Woody around the area and started to say him what to do and what not to do. "Okay, Woody, so just make sure you do not get very close to the giants because they're very grumpy, and return to your home before the sun goes down." "Sure," said Woody. Saying this, Woody went and started to play. Suddenly, a giant had seen him and said, "Oh, little boy, come here, let's play a small game." So Woody went towards the giant, and that's when the giant had caught him and took him. Woody started screaming, "Help! Help!" hoping someone would come to help him. Suddenly, Elvinia had heard him and started following the noises, and eventually found him and screamed, "Don't worry, I'm coming, Woody," and went to the giant and said, "Let him go, you giant." But the giant was not listening, so she went and threw a large bucket of water on him, and the giant got scared and left Woody and ran away. Woody went and thanked Elvinia. "Thanks for helping me," Elvinia said. "It's okay, Woody, but now I think it's time to go. I hope you liked it here." Saying this, Elvinia had dropped Woody back home. When Woody woke up, he was laying down on a bed with the book next to him with the exact page open. The end. What is the moral of the story? You should not listen to strangers, and you should listen to whatever your parents say to you because they always want the best for you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the notification bell to stay in touch with our videos. Bye.